Hello, what's good, everybody? My name is Fasayo, and I'm here with the World Cultural Events and Celebrations for the week of October 5th to October 11th. Monday, October 6th is Sukkot Eve, which marks the evening before the Jewish holiday of Sukkot begins. Tuesday, October 7th through Saturday, October 11th are the first 5 days of Sukkot. The Israelites' 40 years of wandering in the desert and celebrates the autumn harvest. On Monday, there is also a full moon, which symbolizes release, emotional intensity, and enlightenment. Be sure to look out for it. Friday, October 10th, is Karva Chauth, a Hindu holiday. It is celebrated annually by married Hindu women, symbolizing their deep love for their husbands. The festival is a celebration of devotion, marital commitment, and strengthens the bond between husband and wife. And that's it for the World Cultural Events and Celebration. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, hit that subscribe button on YouTube, and follow us at TheScholarsNYC. My name is Sasayo, and I'll see y'all next time.